Hi, it's Martin Rapley here from Refurbishment Mastery. Now I've got a great little tip for you that could save you money when it comes to ongoing maintenance of your investment property. Now I talk extensively when I'm talking about refurbishing properties to make sure that we're buying good quality products and materials, that we're employing good quality builders to do the installation for you. But of course there does come a time where things that have been installed break, they wear out, or we get some tenants that perhaps don't look after the building as well as we might want them to do. And I wanted to just give you this little tip, a little reminder that may just be of benefit to you in some of those circumstances. And it was reminded to me recently in a property of mine, actually something that I was doing with a joint venture partner, and my joint venture partner was particularly put out by how much some repairs were going to cost. And I remembered this little thing that I had come across a number of years earlier. And the tip I've got is that don't be afraid if you've got some repairs that need doing to your particular property. Don't be afraid to contact your insurance company and ask them to assess whether it is work that is covered under insurance. And they'll also give you a bit of a steer as to what it might do to your premium, and help you consider the merits and whether it is reasonable or realistic for you to make an application, make a claim on your insurance. And the story was that my JV partner, who is predominantly managing this property now, explained to me that there had been a shower leak, probably over quite a long period. The tenant hadn't flagged it up. The shower leak had got worse and worse and worse. And eventually, unfortunately, the bathroom floor had collapsed. This was actually a ground floor bathroom, so there was no water leaking downstairs, but it leaked through and was draining down underneath the floor, and the floor was rotting, and the repair that was needed was to take all of the bathroom out and repair everything, all of the rotted floor, and put all the bathroom back in. And of course there was also the cost of the tenant in this particular flat. The tenant had to move out because they had no bathroom. So the cost was starting to mount up, and in that particular case we did make an application, we did make a claim against our insurance policy, because the whole cost was going to be a significant one. So this video is really just to remind you that if you are carrying out maintenance, or if you've got a defect in your property, sometimes it's easier, quicker and potentially cheaper to actually make a claim against your insurance policy than try and manage through the works yourself and cover the cost yourself. Of course, you need to understand the cost of the works, you need to understand what it may do to your insurance premium, so do take advice on that, but don't, at least do some research, understand what could happen so that you can make the right decision for you. So I really hope that little tip has been of use to you. Don't forget to like and share, and comment below if there's anything else I can help you with. Otherwise, I look forward to catching up with you on another video soon.